That Air Force that would drop bombs on civilians is now dropping flowers on civilians? After the takeover of Islamic Emirate, their Air Force once again faced with warm welcome, East Zone Afghans are saying that instead of dropping bombs on them, now they appreciate that AAF drops flowers and rescue people in natural disasters. They says that these acts of loves give hopes to them of bright future. When the planes were surfing above, we were afraid that they might bombard us. Now that IEA came, they dropped flowers on us. Even the dogs weren't safe from their terror. Now, Alhamdulillah, Islamic Emirate came to power. The same helicopters and planes dropped flowers on us. These are the same helicopters that nearly 20 years, with the invaders coalition, would drop tons of bombs on civilians. But now these helicopters drop flowers on the occasions of independence, and they save Afghan civilians in natural disasters and heavy floods. These airplanes will be, inshallah, in the service of these civilians. If there any flood, disaster and rock sliding happen, our lives and wealth is at the service of our people. Commander in the Eastern Zone says that as per leadership decree, and under the rules of MOD, they are ready day and night to defend and provide service under any circumstances. AAF gives assurance to Eastern Zone civilians that complete peace is established in country. Afghans requested from some Afghan diaspora figures not to spread misinformation and misguidance among civilians.